Hey there, welcome to the CodeCrafters YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use table tag or how to create table in HTML. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all I need to create a HTML file. So here I will create that is called index.html. In this I will generate a boilerplate. Okay, and here first of all I need to make a table, so we need a table tag. So here I will write table, and that now I have a table. So here I need to create a one row. So for that we have a tr tag. Okay, now first of all we need a heading for a table, our table. So we can use here th, and now in that we can write number. Now I have a multiple number, name. Okay, I have a table in that first row, and now in that row, that is our heading row. So in that we have a first heading and this is the second heading. Now I need to add some data in this table, so I need a second row obviously. Now in that I have a td means table data. According to that column name means number, here I add one, and here for that name. Okay, now I will run this code. Yes, I can properly see here this is our column name. Now in this I have a data. Okay, now for a border we can add here attribute like a border is equal to 1. Now okay, I have a border. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.